Hello again, Rob McNeilly here, and welcome to day 10 of our free 4-week program, Connecting with Solutions in Hypnosis. Now, we've given a description of hypnosis as an experience with focus and absorption. So we know about that. We know how to do that. We explored that in yesterday's video. We've also notice that when someone is doing something they like, they have resources right at their fingertips. They're there, they've got everything they need. And we've looked at the problem and explored with each individual client what's missing for them, that if they had it, they'd be okay. So, when we've asked what's missing, we know what we're looking for. And when we ask someone what they like to do, we know where to look, because in their lives they'll have all the resources they could ever need. So having invited someone into a hypnotic experience, doing something they like, invited focus absorption, called hypnosis, we are in the perfect place to look for precisely what's missing for each individual client. We know what we're looking for, we know where to look for it. Wonderful combination. So, building on yesterday's exercise of inviting someone to get into the experience of doing something they like, where we then invite focus and absorption and comment on the changes, now we can start to get to the nitty-gritty of this approach and ask specifically for them to look for exactly what it is that's missing in the problem area. For example, let's just say that what's missing for someone is confidence. Just say that they want confidence. That's what's missing. And let's just say they like riding their bicycle. Okay, so here we go. Go on your bike, get into it, focus, get absorbed, blah, 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 blah. Now, as you're riding your bicycle, notice how it is for you to feel confident. And we can be absolutely, totally assured that they'll be able to find it. If someone likes riding a bicycle and what's missing in their problem is confidence, we can be absolutely certain that they'll be confident riding their bike, otherwise they wouldn't like it. If someone likes gardening and what's missing is confidence, then we can say, we now get into your garden and notice how it is for you in the garden to feel confident of being able to tell the difference between a plant and a weed. You can be very confident. So whatever it is that's missing for someone, if someone says, I want to feel peaceful, okay, and they like watching movies, so let's watch a movie. We get into it, focus, absorption, blah, 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 blah. Now, as you're watching the movie, notice how it is for you to feel peaceful. And I'm claiming, and I'm inviting you to explore the validity of this, that you will always find what's missing in the experience of the likes. Always. So here's today's exercise. We invited someone into an experience of something they like. We've got the focus, we've got the absorption, we've commented on the change. So here's the exercise for today. Have a look around in the experience that you're in and notice how it is for you to have the experience of connecting with what's missing in the problem. Whatever it is that's missing, have a look and find it. Whatever it is. And be willing to be surprised as the therapist how easy it is for the client to find that, to really connect with that. So we're not going to tomorrow we'll look at how to start to connect that with the problem. But all we're doing today in this exercise is helping someone. We've identified what's missing. We've identified where to look. And now we're just giving the client, each individual client, their own opportunity to find exactly what it is they're looking for. So have a play with it, see what happens, and as always, please be willing to be surprised how natural, how easy, how delightful this experience can be. And it would be great if you could leave a comment so that we can explore this together. Otherwise, send me an email privately. And I'll see you in tomorrow's video.